Good morning and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're doing a all natural tutorial. I'm not going crazy. I'm just gonna do a natural. If you wanna know how I did my hair, that video is getting uploaded right now. We just filmed the longie, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So I know I just stole my hair, but I gotta do this and clip her back. And I'm not putting a headband on because I can't. But yeah, so we're just gonna go super natural. I might prime, I'm not sure. See, I'm glad I made a computer right here because then I could type that way, but I can't for the Snapchat. Okay, so back to the video. So I'm taking my Smashbox one for the whole base and brow bone. That shade was Preview. So since I'm going so natural today, I'm not gonna go crazy like I normally do. It's just I'm doing my brow bone, highlighting. And if you're wondering, this is a Wet n Wild brush. I have 3 of the same one, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm gonna get tape going, and we're gonna use the Modern Renaissance palette. I've been using this palette non-stop since I had it, guys. It's insane. I don't even reach for the Naked palette now, which is odd. I love that palette. Then just cut. That was Instagram. Okay, I need a pair of scissors so I can cut those feet. Because apparently I ripped the tape too much. Oh, that's right there. Okay, but that's the line I need. Okay, and the hair got underneath it, as always. Why? Like, I never do foundation, so... Because I hate feeling a foundation. I'm not picky. But we're going to go in with this pencil brush. I think I need to use that of palette just to get the outer half because I don't want to use any of those shades. So I'm taking the shade Angels, just plotting her right on the outer half. Like, this is my line to figure out where and how far I'm going up. My hair. Okay, so we got that. And then I'm still going to use the same brush because I want to use another shade for the outer corner. So we're going to take Cypress Umber. I'm going to use this just to tap off. And as neutral as I am going, because I want all of this just to be the lightest shade. So that's what I'm like. Yeah, he has to wait. It's just, it's so better to use this one when the lights are not blinking in. Okay. So I'm going to grab a clean one just to blend the edges. Okay, so with a fluffy blush like these from e.l.f., we're going to take the shade I normally use, is Beyond Frisco. Tap her off. Curve her in the crease as well. It's like the neutralest shade ever. Like, hi. I don't even reach for the other shades that much, but I do. Because I'm just trying to get that inner half right here a little bit. Or dimension. Two taps. Just get that perfect line. See how open my eyelid is? Like, I could pat my favorite colors. Do we know what they are? Primavera and Vermeer. All over that lid space. This is like my everyday tutorial, so that's why I like did this. Then I'm taking Vermeer, applying it right on top like I normally do. And then the same, it's just, I think I'm using this one, just to blend everything. Look how simple that eye tutorial went. So simple. The quickest. Oh, I have no edge. No fucking edge. Whatever. I think it's supposed to be a little more, so I'm just gonna add my tail back. I don't know tail. I really had no tail there. I'm like, where's my tail? My clean edge. Okay. So back with this palette. And I'm like, you're going back to it? I'm like, yeah. I'm just gonna use the same brush I've been using. That brow bone. I know, I can't even bake now because I don't have a powder, but I'm going to go in with my favorite mascara. We all know it. It's the L'Oreal Telescopic. Not, oh my god. I want to say telescopic so bad because I want that one. But it's the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. Oh my god. My faces are funny. I'm sorry. And I need to go eat lunch after this, so I'm going to keep this on all day because I'm wearing it out, hopefully. My hair is always in that fucking way. I think we have a subtle highlighter that I can use actually. So when I say that, the only subtle one I could think of is my Laura Geller. And this is a way that could fit. Never mind, I thought it couldn't. Okay. Oh my god, hair. Oh my god. This is not my favorite one, but I'm using it because I want to go subtle. And then, where is the other guy? Sit right there. Where is he? Where's my favorite one? You should know the highlighter I normally use, guys. That's not even a highlighter. Where did I put it? Hi. Is that Benefit one? I love it. I normally use it on my nose. Oh my guys. Maybe I need to keep her because I use this one all the time. For the nose. I can see the highlighter now. I'm just going to do here, here. Here are the link hits. Okay, and then I know these are not wet. The only way to do it is to set my face with this. So I'm just gonna take the tip and dab. Just a dab in. And then for the lips, I've been going so neutral. I've been doing like combos lately. So I'm not sure if I want to do a combo today. So I guess we'll go with my favorite shade, as always. What? Any guesses of what my lipstick is? And we're all done. I know this one is way shorter than the hair tutorial, which is so funny. But I'm not wearing a lipstick because I'm going to eat. But here's a completed look. Spotlight displaying me, but this is my everyday / neutral tutorial. I've been wearing this a lot, so I'm just going to zoom in. Like I normally go smoky on the outer half, have this whole inner corner all bright. I never wear the highlighter out, but I am today. Look how good this side is though. And then I always wear this shade from Maybelline. It's the Almond Rose. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, just give this video a thumbs up, comment, and like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys real soon. Bye guys, I love you.